In this video, I'll be sketching a quadratic with a negative coefficient of x squared. If the coefficient of x squared is positive, we get a U-shaped graph. If it's negative, we have a hill-shaped graph. So this one will be a hill shape. To find the y-intercept, every point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So if I put in x equals 0 into here and to here, then y is equal to 0. Likewise, all of the points on the x-axis have a y-coordinate of 0, so I'm going to make the y equal to 0 in the equation. And before I factorise, I'm going to make things easier by dividing through by -2, so that this just turns into x squared. So I have to divide every term on the left and the right by -2. This is 0. This is 1, so just 1x squared, and this is -3x. So now I can factorise. I'm factorising out the factor of x, and then my roots are x equals 0 and x equals 3, because they are the two numbers that would make this equation equal to 0, that being 0 and that being 0. So now I need to mark on all of these intercepts on my graph. Don't need to put the value here because it's the origin, but this one here, x equals 3, I do need to mark that on to get the mark for that. And now to sketch, I'm actually going to turn my canvas slightly so that I get a smoother curve, because I can put my wrist on the table and use it as a pivot. And that is my graph done.